A very quick review on properties of pure substances. Pure substance. A pure substance is a substance of constant chemical composition throughout its mass. It is one component system. It may exist in more than one phases. Few definitions. Saturation state. A saturation state is a state from where a change of phase may occur without a change of pressure or temperature. Critical temperature. At critical temperature, a liquid completely changes to vapor and vice versa. And above critical temperature, a vapor cannot be liquefied by any amount of pressure. Critical pressure. At critical temperature, the minimum pressure required to transform a vapor to liquid is called critical pressure. Triple point. Triple point is the fixed point or fixed temperature and pressure at which solid, liquid and vapor phases coexist in equilibrium. Few points to remember. Transformation of solid to vapor directly is called sublimation, and transformation of vapor to solid directly is called sublimation. Degree of subcooling, saturation temperature minus actual temperature. Degree of superheating, actual temperature minus saturation temperature. Dryness fraction, it is the ratio of mass of vapor to total mass of mixture. X is equal to mv upon mv plus ml, where mv is mass of vapor and ml is mass of liquid. Various properties of pure substances based on dryness fraction. The volume of any wet steam V is equal to Vf plus X Vfg, where Vfg is Vg minus Vf. Similarly, H is equal to Hf plus X Hfg, S is equal to Sf plus X Sfg. Enthalpy of liquid at various points. H is equal to Hf plus X Hfg. On vapor line, H1 is equal to Hg, which is equal to Hf plus latent heat Hfg. On superheated region, H1 is equal to Hg plus Cp T1 minus T2, where T1 is temperature of superheated steam and T2 is saturation temperature, and Cp is specific heat of vapor. Entropy at various points. At wet region, S1 is equal to Sf plus X Sfg. On saturated vapor line, S1 is equal to Sf plus latent heat upon T or Hfg upon T. Latent heat is nothing but Hfg. In superheated region, S is equal to Sg plus Cp ln of T superheated by T saturation. Few important points. A gas of pure substance requires two known properties to describe it completely, that is, it have 2 degrees of freedom. A liquid and vapor in equilibrium state or saturated state has 1 degree of freedom. A liquid, vapor and solid in equilibrium, that is at triple point, has 0 degree of freedom. Throttling calorimeter is used to measure dryness fraction of pure substance. On PT diagram, triple point and critical point both are points. On PV diagram, triple point is a line and critical point is a point. Thank you.